Okay, how to strip a piece of wire when you don't have your strippers handy. When you've lost them, misplaced them, they broke, for whatever reason, your strippers are MIA. So if you found these, your crimpers or whatever, and you found something to cut the wire, okay, there you go. Let's cut the wire. Okay. But you do have a utility knife in your bag. So you misplaced your strippers, but you got a utility knife. So all you do is take a utility knife like this and figure out how much you need, and just roll the wire. And the utility knife, you don't need a whole lot of pressure, but just enough, and you will feel you can just twist the wire and find the groove again if you lost your groove. But yeah, this will work in a pinch. So yeah, just roll the wire, and then you'll feel yourself get down to the copper. There you go. I felt it get down to the copper. Then just take, let me zoom this in just a little bit so you can see what I'm doing here. Move this over. And then just take, let me see if I can, yeah, then just take your blade and put it in like that into the wire and go this way. And you'll go right down into the strand, and it'll just part the strand, it'll part the wire, and there you go. Boom, bada bing. And she's all stripped and ready to go. Comes out pretty nice. Don't believe it hurts the wire. Wire looks pretty well intact. Anyways, even if he did hurt one strand, it wouldn't be, the world wouldn't end. So anyways, get you out of a pinch. A utility knife can be used. Like I said, I didn't have my utility knife handy, so I gotta get another utility knife. And yeah, like I said, just hold the utility knife and spin the wire, and away she goes. Works out real well. All right, click like on the video and subscribe. All right, take care. Bye.